Hello everybody, and today's our session is about surface area and volume of hemisphere. Have you ever gone to your terrace? Have you observed TV dish antenna? Dish antenna. What is the shape of dish antenna? The shape of dish antenna is hemispherical shape. Not only dish antenna, but also you take orange. What is the shape of orange? Shape of orange is sphere. The shape of orange is sphere. It will be like this. If you cut the orange into two pieces, you will get a hemisphere. So this is the shape of hemisphere. Hemisphere is nothing but hemisphere. Hem is nothing but hemisphere is nothing but exactly which is a half of a sphere. And what are the dimensions of hemisphere? Its dimensions are, that is radius. Its dimension is radius. And coming to surface area of a hemisphere. What is the surface area of hemisphere? As we know that surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Hemisphere exactly half of the sphere. Therefore CSA of curved surface area of a hemisphere is half of the surface area of sphere. 1 by 2 into 4 pi r square, half of the surface area of a sphere. Half means 1 by 2. 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, which is equal to 2 pi r square. Students, what is the surface area of curved surface area of hemisphere? Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now coming to total surface area. What is the total surface area of hemisphere? If you observe here, this is our hemisphere. It has our top face. This is our top face. Top face is in the shape of circle. So as we know that total surface area of hemisphere is curved surface area, CSA of hemisphere plus area of top face, TSA equal to CSA plus area of its top face. We know that CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus area of top face. Top face is in the shape of circle and area of circle is pi r square. Beta, this is in the form of circle. Top face is in the shape of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. So this is 2 pi r square and this is 1 pi r square. 2 pi r square plus 1 pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. So we got now total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. What about curved surface area of hemisphere? Which is exactly half of the surface area of a sphere. We know surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, which will be half. Half is nothing but 2 pi r square. Now let let us discuss now volume of a hemisphere. Volume of a hemisphere. As we know that volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere is half of the sphere. Similarly, therefore, volume of hemisphere is half of the volume of sphere. Half means 1 by 2 into volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Let me cancel 2 table. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So what is the volume of hemisphere? Our volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Let us do one more sum based on this topic. This is our hemisphere whose radius is 14 centimeter. Hemisphere whose radius is 14 centimeter. Find the TSA and CSA and volume of the hemisphere. They are asking to find out TSA, CSA and volume. As we know that, let me find first CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere, we know CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So that is 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. Hemisphere whose radius is 14 centimeter. R square is nothing but r into r. I mean 14 square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So 7 table, 7 1s are, 7 2s are, 2 into 22, 44, 2 into 14, 28. Now multiply 44 into 28, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 3, 35, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2, 8 plus 5 13, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12, which is equal to how much? 1232 centimeter square. So what is the CSA of hemisphere? Which is equal to 1232 centimeter square. Now let me find out TSA of hemisphere. We know that TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 and radius is 14. 14 into 14, 7 1s are, 7 2s are, 3 into 22, 66 into 2 into 14, 28. Multiply 66 into 28, 8 6 are 48, 8 6 are 48 plus 4, 52. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, which is equal to 1848 centimeter square. Okay, now let us find out volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. As we know that, what is the volume of hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi value is 22 by 7. R cube means 14 into 14. 7 table, 7 1s are, 7 2s are. So 2 into 2, 44. 44 into 2, 88 into 14 into 14, which is equal to 196 divided by 3. Multiply 196 into 88, 8 6 are 48, 8 9 are 72, plus 4 76, 8 1 are 8, 8 plus 7 15. Similarly, this is also 1, 5, 6, 8, 8, 14, 12, which is equal to 17,248 by 3 centimeter cube. In this way, we can find out surface area and volume of hemisphere. Thank you.